Oh, okay, class, let's continue working on what we have learned. So we were working on the alphabet. So hopefully you study at home and then you're going to be able to pronounce today everything, because we want to work more on the spelling. And that's why it's important, spelling, because spelling is important, because when we are speaking English and we meet a lot of people, sometimes we don't know how to write their names, their emails, so we need to learn how to spell their names, their emails, and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna add to the alphabet some more symbols, and we're gonna use numbers as well, but today I'm gonna to start, let's remember the sounds of the alphabet. So let's go. A, everybody please repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Right, so you have to do the vibration on your mouth when you pronounce Z, because remember that if you don't pronounce right, you can match the word with C. C and Z. Okay, so please repeat after me. C, C, and now Z. Very good. Okay, so now let's add some more symbols. So when we talk about email addresses, we have at, so we call this symbol at, and dot. Okay, so now we have at and dot. Repeat after me. At, okay, dot. Very good. Now let's go to the numbers very quickly. O or 0, right? We have two ways to pronounce it. 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Very good. So very good, guys. So I can see that you were studying a lot. Okay, now as when we are working, we need to usually fill out the information or give our information. First, we're going to practice some questions. So the first question is, what's your name? You know to answer that. So what's your name? Christina. Yes, I know what's your name. Okay, what's your name? Okay, very good. But let's differentiate your name from your first name. Okay, so you have first name and last name. So the first name is, for example, in my case, Diana. My last name or my family name is Diaz. Okay, so everybody ask each other what's your first name and your last name. Okay, so please work on pairs. I will give you some time to practice. Okay, guys, very good. So you already practiced saying your first name and your last name. Very good. So now let's talk about what's your telephone number. So when we say, answer the question, what's your telephone number? Usually we're gonna spell the number. So we're gonna say number by number, not as in Spanish that we do all together. No, it's number by number, and it will be clear. Okay, so for example, my telephone number for, I won't say yes. Okay, so suppose that this is my telephone number, so I have to say 480333992. Okay, now everybody, you have to answer the question, what's your telephone number? Or What's your cell phone number? So you have them, all those questions, you have them on your worksheet, as well as you have it here on the presentation. So look for the questions, because I can see some faces there that are like kind of lost. You have it on page 16, okay? Okay, very good. So now, let's practice. Very good, guys. So now, let's work on our email address. So the other questions that we have usually is people asking us our email address. So now let's practice. For example, my email address will be I have to spell it because it will be very difficult for some people to really know if I say it. dianadr@ttpmslp.com. No, it's very quickly for some people, so I have to take my time. So, what's your email address? Please ask me. Very good. Now, DIANA. But if somebody doesn't understand what I'm saying, you have to say D as Diamond, I as England, A as Anna, N as Noon, A as Anna, D as dollar, R as Rose, at ttpmslp.com. Okay? If somebody has trouble understanding what you just said, you have to give together with the letter a name of something that you know. So T of top, okay? M of mom, okay? Good. So now I want you to practice by yourselves, okay? Very good.